Hello friend, issue of shares part 15. Today we try to see shares issued with security premium, over subscription and pro rata allotment, rejected, pro rata allotment and full allotment. Apart from that, call scenario, allotment, there we have allotment and call. The summary of the problem is like this. Share offered to the public, this is called issue of share, issued capital 20,000 share of rupees 50, 50 face value, 10 rupees security premium. This 50 rupees demanded at the time of application 15, allotment 20, 20 plus security premium 10, gross amount 30. 30 include premium, security premium 10 and for share 20. First call, first and final call, rupees 15. Applications were received for 35,000 shares. Applications were received for 35,000 shares. Now details are given. Application rejected for 5,000 shares. Applications rejected 5,000 shares means 5,000 into 15, 75,000 money refunded. Application for 5,000 share full allotments means 5,000 application received, whatever it may be, that number is reduced, and from 20,000 5,000 shares are reduced because full allotment is there. And for balance means from 35,000 10,000 are we are going to deduct. 5,000 rejected, for 5,000 pro rata full allotment means 5,000 5,000 10,000, balance 25,000. 25,000 to whom 15,000 shares allotted, that is called pro rata allotment. Again I am going to repeat. 35,000 minus 5,000, balance 30,000. 30,000 minus 5,000, 25,000 and shares allotted 5,000. This 5,000 to whom 5,000 shares allotted. Such a type of allotment is called full allotment. So shares 15,000, application remain 25,000, surplus application 10,000, that amount transferred to next call means allotment. Then some call scenarios are there. All amount are not received. Prakash come under second category. Second category means full allotment. How many shares allotted? 400. Could not pay allotment money. Then Suraj come under third category means pro rata allotment. 300 shares were allotted. Could not pay share and security premium. Okay. And the Suresh, to whom 800 shares were allotted, he could not pay the call amount. These two persons, allotment and call, they could not pay. All these shares means 400 plus 300, 700 plus 800, 1,500 total shares were forfeited after call. And these shares were reissued at rupees 55 each. Remember that here the forfeited shares reissued at 55 means face value of the share is 50. 5 rupees extra surplus, extra means security premium. Here reissued share, forfeited shares reissued with security premium. Remember that little bit change we have. Up to now, whatever it may be the problems reissued we have seen, there reissued forfeited shares reissued at discount. Now this is the first problem, forfeited shares reissued with security premium. Anyway, we'll see with the journal entries and the problem. Okay. Now for this problem we require to prepare working note is necessary. Here the first working note, we prepare the first table. Here columns are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. First column is particular, second application, third shares and the last surplus. Application received 35,000 shares. Application received for 35,000 shares. Company can allot maximum 20,000 shares. Surplus application 15,000. Just difference of these two. 35,000 minus 20,000, 15,000. Applications rejected. 5,000 applications were rejected. Rejected means to whom not a single share is allotted. So surplus is also going to be reduced by 5,000. Application also reduced by 5,000. 5,000 into 15. 5,000 into 15 amount 75,000. That amount is refunded. For that we are going to write bank. Now balance. 35,000 minus 5,000, 30,000. Here 20,000 as it is. 15,000 minus 5,000, 10,000. Then full allotment. 5,000 applicant share applied for 5,000 shares, to whom 5,000 shares were allotted, means surplus remain as it is. From surplus we are not going to deduct anything. 5,000 minus 5,000, 0. So here balancing 30,000 minus 5,000, balancing 25,000. 20,000 minus 5,000, 15,000. For that pro rata allotment, this balance pro rata allotment was allotted. Pro rata means 25,000 applied for 25,000 shares, shares issued 15,000, difference between these two, that is called surplus application 10,000. Here also 10,000, 0 means 10,000 as it is. 10,000 into 15, 1,50,000. This amount we transfer to next call means allotment. At the time of allotment, company could not collect the 1,50,000 because this amount is already collected. This is our first table. Next we'll see later on. First of all, we try to see the journal entries. First journal entry. Bank account debit to share application account. Remember that application received 35,000. 35,000 into 15. Amount 5,25,000. Again I am going to repeat. 35,000 into 15. Multiplication amount 5,25,000. Bank account debit to share application account. Narration being application received for 35,000 shares at rupees 15 each. Second entry. Share application account debit 5,25,000 to share capital 20,000 into 15. 20,000 into 15. Amount 3 lakh to share capital. To share allotment and to bank. Bank 5,000 applications were rejected. 5,000 into 15. 75,000 to bank, money refunded. And balancing 10,000 application, that amount transferred to next call means share allotment. 10,000 into 15. Amount 1,50,000. Again I am going to repeat. Share application account debit 5,25,000. To share capital 3 lakh. To share allotment 1,50,000. To bank 75,000. Total of these three you will find 5,25,000. Narration being amount of share application transferred to share capital account. Surplus 5,000 applications rejected, money refunded, and for balance pro rata allotment was made. Entry number 3rd. Share allotment account debit to share capital to security premium. Share application account debit 20,000 into 30. 20,000 into 30. Amount 6 lakh. To share capital 20,000 into 20. Amount 4 lakh. And security premium 20,000 into 10. 2 lakh. Total of these two will find 6 lakh. Narration being share allotment due with security premium at rupees 20 each and 10 each respectively on 20,000 shares. Okay. Now entry number 4th. Bank account debit, call scenario account debit to share allotment account. Remember that total recovery 6 lakh. From that we are going to deduct 1,50,000. That amount is already company is having. So 6 lakh minus 1,50,000. Balancing figure for to share allotment 4,50,000. For these two figure we require to do some working note and second table that we'll try to see. Okay. Second table. Here columns are again 4. First column particulars, second share allotment, third security premium, fourth total. Per share, share allotment 20, security premium 10, total 30. Per share, again I am going to repeat, 20, 10, total 30. For 20,000 share, just multiplication, 20,000 into 20, 4 lakh, 20,000 into 10, 2 lakh, total of these 2, or 20,000 into 30, 6 lakhs. This amount, total amount required to recover. From that, less advance receipt of share allotment. Less advance receipt of share allotment means this amount, 1,50,000. Already company is having, that company could not be collected. So from allotment and the total, we deduct the amount 1,50,000. Balance 2,50,000 means 4 lakh minus 1,50,000, balance 2,50,000. Here 2 lakh as it is, 6 lakh minus 1,50,000, balance 4,50,000. Now Mr. Prakash, to whom 400 share allotted, he is from second category, means full allotment. So he could not pay the allotment as well as security premium. Just multiplication, 400 into 20, 8,000, 400 into 20, 8,000, 400 into 10, 4,000, total of these two, 12,000. This amount could not be collected. So 2,50,000 minus 8,000, balancing figure 2,42,000, 2 lakh minus 4,000, balance 1,96,000, total of these two, or we can say that from 4,50,000 minus 12,000, the amount is 4,38,000. Now Suraj, to whom 300 share allotted, of course pro rata from third category. So 300 into 10, 3,000 on account of security premium, and for allotment 300 into 20, 6,000. Remember that pro rata allotment is there, means surplus application definitely there. He applied for more than 300 share. The calculations are like this. This is pro rata allotment. Application 25,000, shares allotted 15,000, surplus 10,000. It means for 15,000 shares when we allotted 10,000 surplus application money. When 15,000 share allotted, surplus application 10,000. So for 300 how much? Again I am going to repeat. For 15,000 share allotted, surplus application 10,000. So for 300 how much? 300 into 10,000 divided by 15,000. If you simplify this, you will find 200 applications were surplus. How much? 200 applications were surplus. So 200 on that application money, 200 into 15, 3,000. 200 into 15, 3,000. That guy is not going to pay 3,000. 6,000 minus 3,000, balancing figure 3,000. 3,000 on account of allotment, 3,000 on account of security premium. Total amount he could not pay the 6,000. Now balancing amount recovered. So 2,42,000 minus 3,000, 2,39,000. Again I am going to repeat. 2,42,000 minus 3,000, balancing figure 2,39,000. 1,96,000 minus 3,000, balancing figure 1,93,000. Total of these two, or we can say that 4,38,000 minus 6,000, 4,32,000. Figure will be the same. So net recovery 4,32,000. Again I am going to repeat. Please see the carefully. Per share allotment 20, security premium 10, total 30. For 20,000 shares, just multiplication, 20,000 into 20, 4 lakh on account of allotment. 20,000 into 10, 2 lakh security premium. Total of these two, or multiply, we will find the same figure, 20,000 into 30, 6 lakh. Less advance receipt, 1,50,000 from security, we deduct from allotment and the total. 4 lakh minus 1,50,000, 2,50,000. 2 lakh remain as it is. 6 lakh minus 1,50,000, 4,50,000. Now Prakash, to whom 400 shares allotted on full allotment. So just multiplication. 400 into 20, 8,000. 400 into 10, 4,000 security premium. Total of these two, 12,000. Balancing figure 4,32,000, 1,96,000 and 4,38,000. Then Suraj, to whom 300 shares allotted, this is pro rata allotment. So allotment money we shows in inner column 300 into 20, 6,000. From that surplus application money is going to be deducted. But before that, security premium 300 into 10, 3,000. Here surplus application. When we allotted 15,000 shares, surplus application 10,000. So for 300, how much? 300 into 10,000 divided by 15,000. If you simplify it, you will find the 200 number of application surplus. 200 into 15, 3,000. This amount is with the company, so that he is not going to pay this amount. 6,000 minus 3,000. Balancing figure 3,000. 3,000 allotment, 3,000 security premium could not collected. Total 6,000. Now balancing figure 4,38,000 minus 6,000, 4,32,000. 1,96,000 minus 3,000, 1,93,000. 2,42,000 minus 3,000, 2,39,000. Total of these two, or whatever it may be, balance will find the same, 4,32,000. Now we'll focus on the journal entries. Bank account debit 4,32,000. Bank account debit 4,32,000. Calls in arrear 12,000 Prakash and Suraj 6,000. Total 18,000. Calls in arrear 18,000. To share allotment, total of these two 4,50,000. Narration being share allotment received with security premium at rupees 20 each and 10 each respectively on remember that here 400 and 300 could not collected. So 20,000 minus 400 and 300 means 700 minus 20,000 minus 700 means 19,300. 19,300 after deducting advance receipt of share allotment. Okay. Now entry number 5th, share first call due. Share first call account debit to share capital account. Simple, 20,000 into 15, 3 lakh. Now receipt, bank account debit, calls in arrear account debit to share first and final call. Bank account debit, here remember that Suraj, Prakash and Suresh. Suraj, Prakash, total 700, and here Suresh 800, total 1,500. Calls in arrear 1,500 into 15, 1,500 into 15, amount 22,500. And share first and final call 3 lakh. Balancing figure 2,77,500, or we can say that from 20,000 minus 1,500, balancing 18,500 into 15, you will find the same figure. Now after first call, shares are forfeited. Remember that this is the first problem. Security premium could not collected because security premium demanded with allotment. So let us see the entry. Share capital account debit 1,500 into 50, 1,500 into 50, amount 75,000. Then security premium account debit 700 into 10, 7,000. To forfeited share, we'll see later on. To calls in arrear, here allotment 18,000 and first call 22,500. Total of these two, you will find 40,500, and balancing figure that is going to be forfeited, that you will find 41,500. Again I am going to repeat the entry. Share capital account debit 75,000, security premium account debit 7,000, share capital account debit 75,000, security premium account debit 7,500, to forfeited share 41,500, to calls in arrear 40,500. Narration being 1,500 share forfeited on which first call and allotment due. First call and second call in arrears. Okay. Now entry number 8. Okay. Now entry number 8. This forfeited share reissued at rupees 55 each, means with security premium. Bank account debit 1500 into 55. Bank account debit 1500 into 55. Amount 82,500. Amount 82,500. To share capital 15,000 into 50, 75,000. Security premium 1500 into 5. Amount 7,500. Again I am going to repeat. Share capital 1500 into 50, 1500 into 50, 75,000. 1500 into 5, security premium 7,500. Total of these two 82,000. Narration being 1,500 forfeited shares reissued with security premium rupees 5. And last entry, forfeited share account debit to capital reserve, whatever it may be the amount we credited, same we are going to transfer here, because shares are not issuing at discount. So whole amount as it is 41,500. Forfeited share account debit to capital reserve 41,500. Narration being balance of reissued forfeited share transfer. Okay, rest of the scene next part.